ang susunod nating kandidato, Ginoong Baldomero Falcone. Ginoong Falcone, ang magtatanong po sa inyo ay si Miss Malu Mangahas.
Ginoong Falcone, ang sabi niyo may personal research kayo at ito ang personal crusade din ninyo na labanan ang tinatawag ninyong Philippine poverty that is only artificially made. Knowing and how to uncover and remedy this artificially created mischief. So medyo makabagong ideya po ito. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ninyong ipaliwanag. Biru-biru ho ba o gawa-gawa o haka-haka lamang na tayo yung naghihirap na bansa?
As a matter of fact, research shows that the money supply in the country is only 12% in relation to the GDP. Now, in the more progressive nations around us, it is usually 30%. So, we have to ask the question, bakit ganito? And we are going to find out that the monetary board, which controls the money supply of the country, is controlled by the owners of the commercial banks and the universal banks. And these are only the oligarch families. So, we have to come up with situations where businessmen, ordinary businessmen, can access these trust funds. For example, it has been reported by the central bank that the total trust funds is 3 trillions already. 3 trillions. But the ordinary Filipino cannot access this. It's only the rich and the few and the powerful who can access this. Okay. So,
follow up ko po. Kanina sinabi niyo kung kayo'y papalaring mahalal. Gusto niyo po sanang mamuno sa Committee on Housing sa Senado. Nag-research po ako, 39 committees ang Senate, wala pong Committee on Housing pa. Meron ho Committee on Health, mga ganon. Pero para ho sa inyong plataforma, matindi yung inyong pagkalinga doon sa mga mahihirap. Kanina yung inyong banking, binasa ko po yun, yung mga trust receipts na gusto nyong makapagpondo ng livelihood o housing projects. Di po kaya hindi mambabatas. Baka po charity work o public service o magbangko central governor ang parang naayon sa inyong kakayahan.
I have one ability which no other, in modesty aside, the other candidates don't have. I know how to securitize. When you securitize, you have a project together with the trust department of a bank that can float global bonds and access the trust money not only in the country but even abroad. This is the kind of money that you can bring to the provinces, to the cities, and make our administrators not.
Salamat po.